You are already on social media. You are on TikTok. Why not you use these platforms to your advantage to build multiple streams of income? If you are just sick and tired at your job, earning one source of income, why not turn your smartphone into a business whereby you can generate multiple sources of income to improve your financial situation for yourself? Think about what that can do for your family. That will be a huge transformational change in your household. Think about the results you can get and how you can showcase it onto my community. If you want this and you are thinking, Joshua, what on earth are you talking about? Inside of this community, you can build multiple streams of income online through online marketing, capture pages, lead magnets, sales pages, automation systems. We teach you digital marketing galore. Now it's time to step up and to raise the standard. Yes, I am teaching you. If you want this, drop a comment ready and let's show you how you can turn your smartphone, your Android phone, here on the social media platforms to build multiple streams or sources of income for yourself. If you want this, like this video, share this video, save this video. I'll see you in the inside.